with these homeowners on resurfacing their driveway. They have a big loop up here at the house with a parking pad over there on the side of the garage that leads out to the road. Pretty big project. We just started up here on the loop of the driveway and we're just getting this little section down and getting it compacted. We got a brisk fall morning this morning, nice and shaded. No complaints today about the heat. Great paving weather. So when we're done, the homeowner will come along the edge of this and build it up with some topsoil just to reinforce that edge. Because the edges are the weakest part of any driveway or roadway surface. Alright guys, we'll follow up in a little bit and show you how the rest of this project is turning out. Have a great morning.